Hello, hello, sweet friends. Welcome back to my home. I'm still doing some spring decorating, and today I'm working over here on my sideboard or buffet, if you will. Now, the shelf, the top of the shelf, I have to climb to get up there, so I went ahead and got that all decorated. And I've got my ladder here on the right. I've got some greenery there on the left. And the lamp here, I had two lamps, one broke, but I need to balance that out. So I've taken everything off and everything down off the pegs and cleaned it all up, and I'm not even going to show you any of that. But I added a couple of blankets, and I have one in pink. I just can't find it. I'll put that up maybe before my home tour, but I wanted to add all three of those. I got them from Amazon.com, and I wanted to add those to the ladder. So to balance off the lamp, I have a lantern. I was going to put a bunny in it, but he sort of got lost in there. So I decided just to keep the candle in there and added a green wreath to the top of the ladder. On the pegs, I have added an array of items, a cutting board, an old wooden spoon that I thrifted, a tray from Hobby Lobby, and a little watering can for spring. It wouldn't be spring unless I added some terracotta and some flowers in that terracotta pot. I just recently ordered these tea towels. It was 3 in a pack from Amazon. And keep in mind, a lot of things I will list in my Amazon storefront if it's something you're looking for. But I just love the green on these. It reminds me of a vintage green, something that maybe my grandmother might have had in her kitchen. And I just love how it all came out. I added some little eggs, speckled eggs in a cloche there, and a Hello Spring tiles. Not too much was new. The tea towels were new. I think the bunny this year is new, and everything else is something that I had on hand.